Welcome to the mobile-based fertilizer management system, which is operated by Department of Fertilizers. Any manager and supervisor or wholesaler or retailer will log into the Department of Fertilizers official website with address www.mfms.nic.in and click on the homepage left-hand panel with a tab Registration of Data Upload Service. The link given on the homepage portal would take you to the next login screen. There the user would enter using MFMS user ID and password. Click on Submit. The dashboard window of the plant manager or wholesaler or warehouse or a retailer will appear on successful login. The user would then click on the RO module link on the left-hand panel under the Data Entry tab. Further, he would click on Dispatch from Warehouse button and a new window appears which contains the following. Under current stock position of warehouse, there's a tabular form which shows the existing stock of products lying at that particular user level. This shows the availability of the stock which is currently there. Then the option to dispatch warehouse or to a wholesaler or to a retailer. To view or reprint already generated vehicle challan. Under dispatch to district warehouse link, it would, when clicking on that, it would proceed to a data entry screen. Go to the right hand panel on the view available stock option to see and verify the available stock which is to plan to be moved. This option is for view purpose only. For capturing dispatch to a particular warehouse, one has to feed the vehicle number, feed the vehicle capacity in metric tons, select the state and district name through the drop down box, select warehouse name and feed the STA number, provide the dispatch date, the product name, and the unit quantity, whether it is in metric ton or in 50 kg bag, and feed the fertilizer quantity accordingly. Once done, click on Proceed to generate vehicle truck challan tab. An automatic pop-up will appear on the screen to confirm your data entered. Click on OK button to proceed. After submitting the request, a new screen will appear and a vehicle challan is available for download. You have successfully generated the vehicle challan. The vehicle challan will be having 3 copies, one for the manager in charge for loading the copy. This is a summary of vehicle challan, one for the driver's copy and the one for warehouse copy, wherever the stock is to be received. This includes the dispatch number. This process has been completed. Click on back button to enter through a new screen. Now click on dispatch to wholesaler. If a movement has to be done from a plant to a wholesaler, you will click on this particular link, dispatch to wholesaler. It will proceed to a data entry screen. A user can go on to the right hand panel on view available stock to see the stock available. Again, this is a view purpose only. For capturing dispatch to wholesaler, dealer name from the drop down box, then feed the vehicle number, the vehicle capacity, again in metric tons, feed invoice number and the date, select plant and product name, select the unit in empty or 50 kg bags, and then feed the fertilizer quantity. Further, click on Proceed to generate vehicle challan tab. An automatic pop-up will appear for the user to confirm the data entered. After submitting the request, new screen will appear and a vehicle challan is available to download. You have successfully generated the vehicle challan. The vehicle challan here will be having 3 copies, one for the manager in charge. This includes the whole summary of the stock which is being moved, one for the vehicle's driver, and the last one would be the wholesaler's copy, including the dispatch number. This process is completed. To dispatch a stock to a retailer, here 2 options are available under dispatch to retailers option. Dispatch fertilizer to 1 or more retailers in the same vehicle. Second, dispatch fertilizers to 1 retailer in multiple trucks. Now click on first option in case you intend to move or dispatch fertilizer to 1 or more retailers in 1 vehicle. This is relevant for small retailers. A new screen will appear. Go to right hand panel, click on View Available Stock to see the stock availability. For capturing dispatch to retailers, feed vehicle number, the vehicle capacity in metric tons, transport company name, driver name, and mobile number of the driver. These three options are optional. State, district, and dealer name through the drop-down box. Feed the invoice number and date. Select the product name, select unit in a metric ton or 50 kg bags, and feed the fertilizer quantity accordingly. Click on Add Dealer button to feed data for second or more dealer and so on. Click on Proceed to generate truck challan or vehicle challan link. An automatic pop-up will appear on screen to confirm the data entered. To confirm, click on OK button to proceed. After submitting the request button, a new screen will appear and vehicle challan is available to download. You have successfully generated the vehicle challan. The vehicle challan will be having 3 copies. One for the manager of the loading copy. This is summary of vehicle challan. One for vehicle driver's copy and dealer's copy. This copy includes the dispatch number. The process has been completed. Click on back button to proceed. Now you may click on second option in case you intend to move or dispatch fertilizer to one retailer in multiple vehicles. This is relevant for bigger retailers. On clicking this link, new screen will appear. Go to right panel, click on View Available Stock option to see the stock availability. Select dealer name in the drop-down. For capturing dispatch to retailers, feed vehicle number, vehicle capacity in metric tons, invoice number, invoice date, and plant name, product name, and feed the fertilizer quantity. Click on Add Truck button to feed data for the second tire truck to be added. Click on Proceed to generate truck challan or vehicle challan link. An automatic pop-up will appear on screen to confirm the data entered. To confirm, click on OK button to proceed. After submitting the request, a new screen will appear and vehicle challan is available to download. You have successfully generated the vehicle challan. This challan would be having 3 copies. One for manager in charge. Second would be a vehicle driver's copy. And third would be the dealer's copy, the receiver's copy, which includes the dispatch number. This process has completed. Click on back button. Go to View/Reprint Already Truck Challan. This option is available to view and reprint the vehicle challan which are already generated. Select From Date and To Date. A new screen will appear and shows the list of already generated vehicle challans. User can choose whichever challan to print and take copies accordingly. Through this link, you would be acknowledging the receipt of warehouse which is being sent to one particular location. Once you log in, on the left hand panel at the data entry tab, there would be acknowledgement the receipt link. Enter the dispatch number and click on submit. It would show the particular transaction or the stock being forwarded from a source destination or from a company to this particular point. It will show the product which is being sent, from which location, to which location, the dispatch date, the RR number, the dispatch quantity, the total receipt, the balance quantity, the receipt date, the receipt quantity. Herein, the user can update partially the acknowledgement of the receipt which he is receiving. The receipt date by default will be the server date. Now, to searching any dispatch which has been done, you can go through the particular link and the RO module in the left-hand panel, enter the RR number to see the number of dispatches done through this particular RR number. A view dispatch and receipt tab. This is the report which can be generated by the user to see and view the details of dispatches made from this account at any particular time period to any particular place for all the finalized goods on all states. This report would be dynamically generated as per the options fed in by the user. This video has been made by Department of Fertilizers under Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers, Government of India. Thank you for watching this video.